Hello, welcome to my lesson for asylum seekers. And the subject of today's lesson is going to be the question, how much? And it's all to do with price. Now, today's lesson is going to be short. The questions that I'm going to ask you to do for your work will be on a separate short video. So once you've watched this video, try the next video, which will be the questions. How much? And how much is a question? This is a question, so it has a question mark. That is a question mark, and it goes at the end of the question. So, how much? Or sometimes we say, how much? And we ask the question, how much, when we want to know the price or the cost of something. The cost of something is a different way of saying the price of something. We can use both. Now, sometimes in a shop or on a market stall, we point to something. Now, I've got a table here with some fruit and vegetables and things. I'm just going to move it so you can see. There. Now, if I point to something, if we point to something in a shop or on a market stall, we can say this. We can say, how much? We point there, how much? Or we can say, how much is that? How much is that? Or we can say, how much is this? Or we can say, how much are these? How much are these? A different way of saying it would be to say, how much does it cost? Or, how much does this cost? Those are all the ways we can ask. There are some other ways as well, but that's quite a lot to learn. All of those mean the same thing, but we have to show what we're pointing at. We have to point or lift it up. And then the answer to those questions will be the cost of whatever it is that we've pointed to. So the answer will be the answer to how much. It'll be the money that it costs. So here are some possible answers. If you say how much, you might get the answer £1. Or you might get the answer, it is £1. Or if it's something like tomatoes, you might get the answer 90p a kilo. Or they might say, they are 90p a kilo. So those are all the answers to how much is this, how much are they, how much are these. Those are all possible answers, and it shows you how much they cost. Some other answers. You might say £1.50 each, or a bit complicated, but sometimes it's like this, 10 for £2 or 20 for £3.50. So it's slightly cheaper if you buy more per item. Or a different way of saying that is they cost £2 for 10 or £3.50 for 20. All answers to How much do these cost? How much are they? And if we cannot point or lift something up, then we give the name of the item that we are asking about to the shopkeeper or to the market stall holder. And here are some examples. If it was a jar of jam, I haven't got a jar of jam, we might say, how much is a jar of jam? Don't have to point to it. Or, how much does a jar of jam cost? That's another way of asking the question. Or we might say, how much are the eggs? Or, how much do the eggs cost? Do, because it's plural, eggs. If it was one egg, it was how much does the egg cost? So we give the name of what we're asking the price of. And here we are. These are the things that I brought along. I'm going to write their names on the board here so that you know what they are. I think you'll know what these are. It says it there, free range eggs. And here we've got 6 eggs. So I might say 6 eggs cost £1.50. So eggs. These are apples. How much are the apples? 80p each. This is a melon. How much does the melon cost? The melon costs £1.50. Nice big bag of grapes. How much are the grapes? The grapes are £2 a bag. And here we've got a box of tomatoes, nice big tomatoes. How much are they? They are 90p a kilo. That's cheap. Now that's a very short lesson, all about how much when you're asking the price of something or the cost of something. I hope that you will do some work on this, and I've made a separate video for you to watch. And when you watch that video, you'll need a piece of paper and a pen. So the questions about this lesson are on the next video. So please watch that. If you want to ask me anything, here is my email address. Here. If I can. Oh, I've lost it. Here we are. If you've got any questions about this or any other video, you contact me, and I'm Judy. Asylum, ESOL, @rmc.org.uk, and then I can answer you. That's it for now for this video. So, bye.